Hi, this is Sundas and I got in touch with the IELTS Council about 2 months ago regarding my IELTS exam that I wanted to take part in for my master's in Europe. And I spent about a month training with Sir Mubashir, and I was able to practice my speaking, listening, writing, and reading skills and polish them up to a point where I was able to score 8.5 bands, and I'm extremely happy with the result. I'm super glad that I was put in touch with Sir Mubashir, and he really helped me finesse all of these skills because even though we do speak English on a daily basis, there is a certain way to do it just for IELTS. So my individual scores, as seen on my result sheet, I scored a 9 in listening, an 8.5 in reading, I scored an 8 in writing, and a 7.5 in speaking. So this rounded off to an overall 8.5 band, and it was a C2 level of English. So I'm very happy and super satisfied with my results. So if anyone wants to give their IELTS for studies or any other purposes, I would really recommend getting in touch with the IELTS Council and Sir Mubashir in specific so they can achieve their goals.